Okay, for question 19, we've been given a triangle with a few different coordinates, and we're asked to prove that MN is parallel to PR. So first things first, we know that if two lines are parallel, they must have the same gradient. So in y is equal to mx plus c, they must have the same m constant. So first things first, we know that the coordinates of P are -3, -6, the coordinates of Q are 1, 4, the coordinates of R are 5, -2, M is the midpoint of PQ, N is the midpoint of QR, and we're asked to prove that MN, the two midpoints, are parallel to PR. Let's start off by trying to find the coordinates of M. So to find the coordinates of a midpoint, you have to add the 2 points together and divide them by 2. So let's start off by adding the two x coordinates between P and Q. So there we're going to be adding 1 and -3, dividing it by 2. For the y coordinates, we're going to be adding 4 and -6, and again dividing it by 2. So this will let us get the coordinates of M, which will be -1, -1. And then again, we do the exact same thing with N. It's the midpoint of QR. So again, we're adding up the x coordinates of QR. So 1 and 5 and dividing it by 2. And then the same again for the y coordinates. So we're going to get coordinates of N as being 3 and 1. Now let's start focusing on the gradient of MN and PR.